Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the essentials so the app performs reliably. Make sure you have a compatible device and free storage. Log in and enable two-step verification for security. Once signed in, state a single clear goal, drafting, image generation, or automation, because focused tasks return better outputs. Next, select the input method you'll use: text, voice, or upload. This first step reduces confusion and speeds up iteration, so start with one task and one input, and you're ready to proceed. You next configure the app and craft effective prompts to guide results. Open settings and select language, model size, privacy level, and preferred output format. These control speed and cost. Then write prompts that are concise and explicit. Include examples, desired tone, and constraints such as 150 words or bullet format. Once done, run small test inputs to validate structure and accuracy. This catches issues early. Make sure to iterate. Refine prompts, tweak settings, and retest. You finish by reviewing and securing the final output so it's usable and safe. Read for factual accuracy, bias, and formatting. Edit as needed, then save versions and export to your chosen format. Once saved, back up to cloud or local storage to prevent loss. If something goes wrong, try a simple troubleshooting sequence. Rephrase the prompt, reduce complexity, check app permissions and model limits, and run the test again. This approach resolves most issues quickly and keeps your workflow moving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.